Hello people, hello world, this is Isa from Asia and welcome to my little tiny home again. Today I'm going to do a month review of the bag because I purchased this one more than a month ago and I've used this a couple of times already. It is another Coach bag because we are a Coach bag lover. And but before we start, disclaimer, I'm doing this video for fun, so no one is obliged to subscribe on this channel. But if you're here to watch my video, I want to thank you. But if you want to subscribe and support my channel, then thank you. I appreciate you so much. All right, let's jump into this one. This is the Coach Tabby Soft Tabby Hobo bag. Whichever. It is in, I believe, military green. And if some of you have watched the video that I posted, I believe 2 weeks ago, it's the Coach carry shoulder bag. If I'm not mistaken, they are almost the same size, if not exactly the same size. And I'm not sure if you notice, there are some stuff inside because I used this the past few days at work. And yeah, so this is in military green again, and the material is made of soft leather. This soft leather is actually quite durable. It is thick, durable, thick. I have the soft tabby shoulder bag. I feel that one is the leather is slightly thinner compared to this one. This one, I find it thicker. Like I said, it's more durable. Love it. You can feel that it's, solid leather. You can feel the richness of the leather. Really love it. I am actually thinking of getting another one of this in black color. And the hardware is actually, it's not brass. It is, I believe it's gunmetal, so you can see. And this shoulder strap, this one here, is not detachable. It is not. But as you can see, this C emblem here, or the charm, as you move the shoulder strap, this thing also moves. And I like it. I love it. Very simple, classic looking bag, as you can see, just like this. And another thing I like about this bag is the way it's slouch. I like slouchy bag. And as you can see, if it's sitting down like this, look at the shape, just beautiful. And if you carry it, look at this, look at that. It is beautiful. I love it. I actually was using this yesterday, and then my colleague saw this one and she was like, oh my god, it is so beautiful. Exactly, that's the word. And the inside, I'm gonna show you guys. It's full of my stuff. Everything is there, literally almost my whole life. It's like review / what fits inside. Okay, I have my sunglasses. I have my small pouch where I put my lip balm and my lipstick, because I don't put heavy makeup. I only need these two with me every day, and that's all I need. I have my card case / wallet from Coach as well. All my cards and IDs and extra cards inside. And I have some notes in here, and got some extra pockets in there. I love this one. And my eyeglasses case, which I'm wearing it now. I have this Coach pouch as well, or it's a wristlet actually. I got this from Coach outlet, and this is my first aid kit pouch where I put my pills, a band-aid or plasters, and I have my face mask, you know, basic first aid kit. So I carry this with me all the time in case of emergency, you know, just in case. And I have my coin purse from Status Society and my umbrella, and I have this another pouch from Longchamp. I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I really love this one. I carry this with me every day as well. So basically this one carries all my basic essentials, so like my tissues, my hand cream, my hand sanitizer, basically my life is here, my facial, oops, sorry, my facial sunscreen, what else, I got a pen, I got my dental floss. It's literally like almost my entire life. Got my mints and this fabric pouch where I keep my headphone. I'm still using this headphone, guys, because I don't know, I heard that, you know, the Bluetooth headphone has a strong radiation that can affect your brain. So I'm so sorry, maybe I'm just paranoid. So I'm old-fashioned. I'm using this one. Yeah, that's basically it. Those are the things inside my bag. And another thing, if you can see this jacket behind me, when I carry this to work, and if I don't need my jacket, I put this jacket inside. Yes, I put it inside and it fits perfectly inside. So inside, the interior is made of fabric that they've used in the year 1941, that fabric, and it's just a simple big compartment, just one big compartment, and comes with one slip pocket there without the zip. You can put the notes or whatever you want to put in there, your phone, and it has a back pocket as well. There you go. I always put my phone here. Oops, I just closed it. I always put my phone here, so when I'm carrying my bag like this, quick and easy access. Despite it is made of soft leather, I feel like I don't need to worry much about it because the leather is so durable and thick. You know, I've been using this for a month already, and look, I've been checking this one every day to make sure that there are no scratches, marks, scuffs, and things like that. And actually there is nothing. I think it also depends how you use it. If you're a person that you know how to look after your bag, definitely it will last long. And I'm very, very careful when I use bag. And however, sometimes I still put it on the floor or on the ground. I put it on the table, put it on the chair, you know. This is where you don't have a choice but to put it on the ground, you know. But still, see, despite that it doesn't come with feet, it's still very, very clean. No scratches, no marks at all. It comes with another strap, which is the cross body strap. I never use this one, guys, because I find this too long for me. It's way, way too long for me. I'm 5'5" tall, 5'5" tall, and still very, very long for me. It comes with five holes with grommets. I believe you can go to the shop and ask them to put extra holes with grommets in it, but I don't bother because I prefer using the shoulder strap, so I didn't bother doing that. Dimensions, it is 26 centimeters in height, 35 centimeters in length, 9 centimeters depth. I'm just gonna put it back everything because I want to show you how it looks like when I put my jacket inside. Fold it like this and roll it, put it inside, then zip it, and voila, everything is inside. Look at that. It's amazing. I love it. And look at this. All right, this is how it looks on my frame. Again, I'm 5'5" tall, so this is how it lands on my body. Okay, there you go. I just love it, guys. It's very simple. I love its classic style. Beautiful, beautiful. And I'm just gonna show you the shoulders, the crossbody strap. So look, I'm sorry guys. So I find it very long because when I wear the crossbody strap, I prefer it this high. I prefer it this high and not this. It's too low for me. And even if I do this, still very long. Still very long. Look, I prefer it this high when I carry my crossbody bag like that. And if you take out my jacket, look how it's slouched. I love the look when it's slouched like that. Look, isn't it beautiful? The other option is you can hang your jacket like that. And look at the space. Look at the space left here in between your arm through the armpit. It's just nice. Look at that. You don't need to struggle. And another thing I don't like about this, I'm not sure if you can see it. Do you see this thing here? It's sticking out. Look at that, because it doesn't come with, you know, the, I don't know how do you call it guys, that thing here where you can slit it so that it stays like that. No, doesn't come with it. So look at that. It looks awful. That's why I don't like using this one. But in overall, I'll still gonna give this a 5-star because I love this bag. Just forget about the crossbody strap. I'm not bothered about it. Yeah, look at that. Who wouldn't fall in love with it? Just beautiful. Look. Look. Just gonna give you a quick tour of this bag. I would say more pros about this bag because I love it. I love green. As you can see, green, green, green. I love green. I love the leather because it's durable. It holds all my essentials and more. It's classic. What more can you ask for? It's beautiful. I just don't know what else to say. The cons, I've already mentioned it, is this one here. And this thing here is sticking out. And probably the gunmetal, because I believe the gunmetal gets scratches or marks easier compared to brass. That's based on my research. This is not a large bag. I consider this as a medium bag, not small either. But yeah, I just love it, guys. Love it. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below. But again, I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional bag reviewer or anything like that, but I will try my best to answer your question if there's any. And yeah, if you like this type of video content, please join me next time. Thanks again for staying with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a lovely day, have a lovely weekend wherever you are. Be good, be safe, be kind, everyone. Bye.